everyone, welcome to the next video in our Rooms of Wonder Lost Items. I was going to say Lost Ocean, what's my brain? Lost Items series, and we have a little old-fashioned radio to do, which is good fun. I was going to just do it in silver and black, but I think we could try and find a more retro type colour. I'm thinking pink, a sort of salmony pink, or the yellow, or the sort of blue. I think the blue might be the one we can match up the best. I'm thinking maybe this 302, which is called, I haven't got my list out, pastel blue. Here's my list of colour names. I haven't memorised it yet. So we'll do a pastel blue for this sort of main parts. I think it's fun. I'm thinking this bit here. I'm just covering over the notes. You could, because they've gone quite dull because of the blue colouring going over the top of them, you could do a sort of black pen on top, or like a blue, or even a metallic, something like that. But I think, I'm not sure how well that would work with this sort of retro feel. This really isn't the colour that I was thinking of, but I can't make the colour I was thinking of, so it's not quite pale enough. But you need to be able to see it, so I guess it's probably a good choice. I'm thinking this bit and this bit as well. It needs a bit of shade and shadow, and I've decided that what I'm going to do is not do that with this. So I'm going to put down a fairly even colour across the whole thing, and then get another blue to sort of pop in some shade. I think shadow, I think that'll work best. So I'm quite happy with that, and I'm going to use the number 63, which is our Delft blue. Whoops. Hold it in shot. Let's just hold it over here so nobody can see. I'm just going to sharpen it a little bit. Just had a visitor, which was fun. My dad popped in. He was on a walk with the U3A. You may not have heard, you may or may not, the University of the Third Age. So it's basically social groups for retired people. And he was doing a walk past my house, which was fun, and he had said he wouldn't be able to pop in. He just popped in for a quick hug and a hello, which was lovely. Really nice to see him. And I'm actually seeing him on Sunday for a proper family get together, so he couldn't stop long because he'd sort of, you know, he'd left his walk buddies, and just a quick hi, I'm going by, see you, sort of thing. It was really nice. So that was good fun. So I don't know if he'll come back in on his way back past. I think they'll come back past this way again. Not sure. But there we go. So I'm just adding a few areas where I think there might be just a little bit of shadow, really. Just to give it a bit more depth, interest, that sort of thing. So around the edge there, and there, like that. I think usually this bit is black, so I think that's how I'm going to do it. Just work out which way up my pencil case is today. It's ever so warm, my pencil case number 9. It's a really sunny day, and it's been on the windowsill because I was recording something else, so I popped it up on my windowsill out of the way, knowing that I was going to come back to this one later. And I'm doing this really lightly with a pencil on the side, because these are often sort of fabric-y and they're not like really dark black, so I thought that might work better. I'm not sure if these are lights or buttons. I'm just going to colour them black, a bit darker on the edge and the centre of this. This is like a dial, I assume, to tune in the channels. Buttons, dial, what colour? I'll do these in black. I've completely lost my train of thought. Anyway, yes, we're having a get together at the weekend, so I'll see him properly. Is that what I was saying? Oh, I just don't know. My pencils were hot because they're on the windowsill. Oh, I don't know. Sorry, you'll have to excuse my brain. I feel like it was funny, I was brushing my teeth this morning thinking my brain fog is so much better. Yay. And now I'm like, is it or is it not? Number 85. Is that what I want? Yes, that is the warm grey. No, I want a cold grey. Let's pop that back. I think this one will be better. This is the dove grey, a bluey grey. I think it will match with everything and we can make it look silvery. Yeah, so I think the brain fog, couldn't remember the word, oh my goodness, is due to menopause, and that's what I'm thinking anyway. So we've left it a little bit lighter here and here where it would catch the light and it makes it look a bit more metallic. This one is quite tricky. I'm going to do it in the way I might do a clock face, for example. Where's it going to be lighter? Probably let's make it darker here and here, and then we just fade up and down and up and down, and I think it looks a little bit silvery, a little bit. Yeah. Now our label, I'm going to use this colour again, this 83, the dove grey, but hard, so that it matches like I always do, match the tag in. So how are you keeping up? I know some people are colouring along, and that's brilliant. I'm really happy, and some people are finding it a job to keep up. I mean, it's a busy old page, isn't it? And it's relentless. I don't stop releasing videos, do I? You have to work hard if you want to copy me. And I hope you're having fun with it. I'm really enjoying this page. There seems to be so much still to do, which is rather fun. When you're enjoying it, there's always a great thing. Not that there are many pages. There are some pages I enjoy more than others. I don't think that's any surprise to anybody. Let's flatten that down a bit. That's it. But this one is a lot of fun. And I'm hoping that Johanna's new book is full of little things like this. I know some people aren't so happy with these things, but for me, it just, you get that moment of satisfaction because you've completed a whole picture in such a small amount of time. What's this, only 7 minutes and we're done. So that's great. But yeah, there'll be another one tomorrow. I'm going to work through the rest of this page now and get it done. I can't imagine I will interrupt the series now with anything else. You never know, you know, I'm unpredictable. But I don't think I am, to be honest. I'm very predictable. So anyway, that's me for today. Have a really good day. Tune in later for a longer video. This was rather quick. And happy colouring.